made it clear that akho muntu ozothatha inhliziyo kaLikamva. She's not going to kill her son just so Zolega's daughter can live. It's not going to happen. The sad part is that Uhlati is also considering it, and Utsiki is also supporting it because she can see the condition kaLikamva. But Ulukhanya thought that Zolega is selfish, and Detective Mawetu is on to Ulwandle. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. Utumega was shocked at Zolega's request, asking for Likamva's heart, saying, "How can you be so insensitive? You want me to kill my son so your daughter can leave? Like, how dare you guys come here and ask that of me? To kill my son just so your child can leave? But you guys want me to take you want to take him away from me? And I'm plotting this. This is so disrespectful." Lazarus tried to talk, saying, "No, we're so sorry. I tell you, Tule, when I just stay out of this." And Utumega's just head, how can Zolega, as her sister, ask that she ends her child's life just so her own child can leave? Like, it was just so insensitive. Zolega is still fresh, is still new, and Utumega still has hope that umntanakhe uzovuka. And then she made it clear, nope, the answer is no, you are not taking my child's heart. You are so disrespectful, yes. Uhlad was just standing there, said nothing, did not even utter a word. He just said, Utinwe Zolek, and that was it. And then Zoleka then blames Lazarus. I think we went too far. Utumega is not happy about it at all, but I understand her because, why would you want her to kill Umtanake just so ours can leave? And then, but Lazarus sees nothing wrong saying, Ulikamva is already brain dead, so he's as good as dead. We're just trying to save our daughter. Utumega goes on and on with how dare Zolega does this to me? Ezosiswami, how can you do this to me? Our both our child might as well be dead. Ufuna mina ngibulala umntanami. Njani ewakaphile. Uhlati is just sitting there as quiet. The next thing, Uhlati says that it's because all this is Lazarus' fault. Just because Lazarus wants ufuna umphuca yonke into anayo. Again, Uhlati, narcissist, is making this about him, saying that Lazarus is doing this just because he wants to take what he has. How dare she come here and say this to us? She's not having my child. And now Uhlati is thinking about the ways that Dr. Lugata said, saying that Uqawe just has days, a week at max. But Utumega was like, hey, Uhlati wavuma wathi ewe. And then Lukanya shows up at Zolaga's house saying, yo sisi, how could you be so heartless? As I used to defend you, family, and when they said you are heartless, I used to defend you, I defended you so much, but Le can never defend you. In doing zile wrong. Are you saying that Tumega's pain is not valid? So your pain is more important than Tumega's pain? I can never forgive you for this. You did too much. But like we're just trying to say impilo kaQhawe, but I always support you, but look, I can never support you, Zolek. And then Thulani sits with Uhlati, talking to him about this thing Uzoleka asked for Likamva's heart. Because this is tough for you because both of these kids are yours. So I don't know how I can save both of them. And Utumega still believes that Ulikamva is going to wake up. So that makes it very difficult. So now I don't know how I can save both my kids. And like I just feel helpless. And then Zolega shows up at Mhlate's house saying, Utumega ukhona yini? And Tumega was not there. She was in hospital. And then she starts talking to Mhlate saying she's here as to talk as abazali bakaQhawe. To talk about the health kaQhawe. You should have done that, Zolega, instead of coming here, no Lazarus. That's what you should have done first. Came to talk to me instead of bringing Lazarus la. And said, yeah, I know, but let's just talk now. As abazali bakaQhawe, what are we going to do? Yes, I know the facts. Uhlati seems to be understanding. I know I don't want to sound insensitive, but Ulikamva is as good as not being alive because so what do is we have a decision to make now. We need to decide because either we decide to save Qawe or we lose both of them because uLikamva is brain dead. He's not waking up. Uqhawe needs the heart, and if she doesn't get the heart transplant, then she also dies. So what's it going to be? Yes, at the time uZoleka is even holding on to Hlathi. Now uZoleka is busy smooth talking uHlathi. uHlathi is now considering it because does he want to lose both his kids, or is he going to save one? At what cost? Because Uthumeka won't be happy about this. Unsike comes to the house and she also talks to Thumeka, saying that we need to face reality. Let me paint the picture out for you. uLikamva, I understand that he request kaZoleka. uLikamva is brain dead and she's not coming back to us. She's not coming back to us the same way we know him. Like a lot has changed. uLikamva, like his brain is dead and is not communicating nomzimba wakhe. So as time goes on, uLikamva might even his organs will start shutting down. And Uthumeka is like, are you taking Zoleka's side? Because that's how she feels like, because now you're taking Zoleka's side. And Hlathi is worried, are you saying that his heart might also fail? If his organs stop, then his heart must also fail. So it will be too late. Uthumeka mjonge again, because what are you saying? Are you saying that you want to give up ngenhliziyo kaLikamva? And then uHlathi tries talking to Thumeka, saying, we need to talk about this because we need to come up with a solution that can save both our children. And then Uthumeka, you know what, it's not happening. I'm not giving up on my son. I'm not willing to let my son die so I can save your daughter. uHlathi was shocked with how my daughter kanjani, because you always said you are Qhawe's mom. Today, soon my daughter uQhawe. I have never expected this from Thumeka, because she always said uQhawe umntwanakhe. Today, she said it herself, ukuthi uQhawe udaughter kaHlathi, meaning ukuthi she's all for her son, and uQhawekazi takes second best, obviously, because she birthed uLikamva kaloku. And now says, please forget about it, it's not going to happen. I wonder what uHlathi is going to do, because now he's in a tight position. And then Detective Mawe 2 phones uLwandle requesting to go out for lunch, because he's been hiding, man. He's been away for so long. And then uLikamva, uLwandle, they meet up at Palette to have lunch, and he starts questioning him, what's going on, man? Why are you so ngifuna ukubuza ngathi smaging yakho ukuthi kanti yenzeke right at the garage or kuphi ngaphandle. Athi when ungenaphi, athi I'm surprised because I always go there, it's my regular place, and they said they've never had a robbery in a very long time. And then acike-ke uLwandle ukuthi when ungenaphi wena, and you still have your watch njani if you're marked. And then he lies, saying that he wants to go home and to work on something with his dad. He leaves only to see his dad coming out a palette, because he's still there. So uLwandle lied. Mawethu decides that he's going to go to Lwandle's place and see him again, to confront him head on, ukuthi when you're lying, khona into oyifihlayo. Why did you lie about making excuses about your dad? And now as that when why are you obsessed with me? Yini inkinga yakho kanene? I want to know what really happened that night of your mugging. Where is your car, futhi? What happened to your car? Bring the keys, I want to see your car. uLwandle is now caught, because what is he going to say? Because imoto ayikho nokuba khona. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.